I don't even know where I left off in the last one, but it's definitely been a few weeks. But we're back, and we got a little bit of help to clean up the rubbish around the backyard. So there's no more junk and tiles and piles of tiles, but what's really exciting is this is the first time the tent's been off the car in a year. And she looks alright. She doesn't look too bad. It's dirty, but doesn't look that much different to how I left it. You know, we got some new fenders and stuff for the car, so I reckon we're good. What do you think, Sophia?
It's exciting.
Very exciting.
We're ready to get back into it, I think.
Yeah, that's our reveal.
Okay, so I guess I should also tell you the plan, because yeah, it's been a minute. We've been wrapped up in our new house, trying to fix it, trying to move in, and then when we realized that's too much work, we refocused on the Avion, trying to fix it, trying to move in, and then we got stuck in Australia. So while we were in Australia, we had a lot of talks because we had the time, and we decided that we really want to come back and we want to do more things that we love. We want to do the things that make us happy. You know, it's really cliche, but I guess it's like the thing of like, you don't know how long you have in this life, and so you got to live it every day like it's your last, right? So our plan going forward is going to be to finish the Avion so we can move in and move out of my mom's house after all these years. And then once we move in there, we are going to refocus on our Land Cruiser because we want to travel. We want to see the country, the world, beyond, you know? So yeah, so now what we're going to do is we're going to finish this Avion. We got to paint stuff. And I think install the solar panel. We met with a tree trimming service today, and they're gonna trim this avocado tree behind me. That the avocados are so high up and they fall on the Avion like missiles. And they already broke a window and they cracked our AC. So we have to get that trimmed and then put the solar panel, and then this thing is going to be self-sustainable and we can live there full time while we refocus. So yeah, that's where we're at. And then today we bought a new tent, I guess you'd call it, for the Land Cruiser. It's like we had bought one that was kind of like one of those wedding tents, and it had like windows, and it was like it just fit, so we bought that. But we bought one that's like really, really tall and big, so that we have room to work into the Land Cruiser once we get there. So yeah, we're clearing out the land, we're making room. We got to move the Land Cruiser. It hasn't been turned on since before we left, so as long as that turns on, we can move it. We'll be able to install this new tent. So those are all the plans. It's a lot. Our head is spinning a little bit, but we're taking it one step at a time, and we'd love to share those steps with you.
I need you to give it like a little bit of RPM. It's in park, right?
Uh-huh.
So I need you to give it to like 1500 RPM.
That's the 1 and 2.
1.5.
Do I just do it when you tell me, or now?
Go now. Just hold it there. Still have to let it charge for a little bit.
Okay.
It's just not, it hasn't got enough charge. The next best thing to doing what we're doing would be... I'm surprised this went. So there's not enough power coming through the jump to get the engine moving after so long. I don't know whether it's the best idea in the world. Probably people are going to criticize me and all that sort of stuff like they always do on YouTube. But the only plan I can really think of is to take the battery out of the Tacoma, which I know is good, chuck it in here just to get the car started, and then we'll switch it over once it's moving. But yeah, we just got to get this car. Well, actually, that doesn't make sense because I think both cars do have a move.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's obviously something drawing power on the car. Look, there's poop everywhere. Mouse poop. There's been mice in here, so they also can potentially chew wires.
I mean, I saw one. Like, I literally saw one.
Yeah. But I can't see any wires chewed. No?
So what were they doing in there?
Well, I just can't see them. So, doesn't mean they aren't. There's a whole heap of leaves in the car, so it's like a perfect nest area, right? So if they're gonna nest, they nest in this.
Inside of that?
Yeah. I'm gonna do this to get into there. Because I can get in through here.
I mean, we're gonna have to take out this panel. Remember?
Yeah, but I should check this actually. Just make sure there's no mice in there, because it'll be pulling mice shit into the engine.
Ew.
Clean to me.
No mouse poo.
No mouse poop. It's pretty clean. Rusty and shit on the outside, but it's nice and clean on the inside.
I guess it's pretty well sealed.
Alright, I need to go and look to see if we have a battery charger. I think my best bet is to move on to something else momentarily and try and get this battery charged up.
Okay. Oh yeah, that thing. But that thing didn't really work, did it?
Turns on, right? So you need to connect it before it'll work, okay?
What are you disconnecting? Say that again.
Disconnect this guy.
Just disconnect the battery.
You gonna come off too? Oh wow, that was very useful. Very, very useful. We have stay, give, and positive.
So is it working? Technically, you think?
Well, we're gonna find out. It's flashing red, so...
Does that mean the battery's dead? Isn't that what that was for?
Yeah.
To test the battery?
Yeah. Let's just see, right? Because it's changing voltage. Do I have the instructions on the back or something? No, I need to look them up. So I'll look up the instructions, but I'm not sure what that means. It could mean that the battery's fried. I might need to try the other battery.
We just bought this battery.
Yeah, I know. And then we let it sit for a year. We part with it, taking it down below 50%.
We're taking a little break. World Cup. Brazil and Korea.
Sitting in the avion.
In the avion. The air conditioner over there is going. It's really cool in here. This is our future bed. All our batteries for our solar.
I can't wait till the second half. That might be too late to get going. I look forward to them being more on the front.
What does that mean?
What does what mean? What does it say?
It's a little green, little flashy thing.
Green is a good color.
Yeah, green's a good color, but I don't think that thing's a good color.
Oh, that means no battery.
I think the battery's dead, I think.
There's no way
Bad battery symbol. There's got to be a way to repair these batteries. They're not that old, right?
Yeah. Try the second one.
Same.
Need to wait another hour for this?
Yeah. Let's get something else done.
Yeah, because Brazil is winning this Korea game way too hard.
We can probably get the tent up, honestly, if we have to. There's space here to get it over.
But we want to take away this thing, no?
The top?
Yeah.
No.
No,
I mean,
keep the tarp.
I'm just gonna put it. I was gonna clean it off and put it back down again.
Okay. Well, we could always do it and then move the car out and then relocate. Or
Yeah.
do you think it'll be too heavy?
I mean, the box is really heavy. Like, hopefully that's like not a.
I think though we should clear out this like back of it and this part. Like clean this out. Okay, we're gonna start building this tent garage situation, garage in a box, to put over the car, and hopefully that's sturdy enough to last a little while longer so we could like finish building. So you're gonna see a time lapse of it now.
Both cameras, the storage that got full and the batteries died, so we never got to show you guys this finished car tent storage shed thing that is finished. It's really fancy and stuff like that, and the struggles that we had in the night putting on the cover here, but it's really cool and the car fits in it well. This is Sophia in front of it for scale. And as far as the battery charging issue on the Land Cruiser, we actually bought ourselves a better charger. So we actually got an Optima branded charger that's here, and it definitely fixed the second part of the battery, the second battery, sorry, straight away. It like really charged that up and got it back to 100%. This one, it was getting like to 50% and it was erroring, so I had to take it to AutoZone, and I think it's called AutoZone, and they put it on their charger and they said that the battery is fine, so we should be good to go with that.
Yeah.
I think this is where we're going to end this video, because we like have all this new footage and it kind of goes into us working on the Avion and everything like that. And this video would end up being half an hour long if I put that into this one. So we'll end it here. It wasn't the most exciting video in the world, but it kind of just shows us struggling and why things don't happen like overnight.
What are you talking about? It's so exciting.
I mean, it wasn't the most exciting video at all. Me sort of umming and ahhing and trying to work out what to do with how to charge a battery in a car in the middle of the Miami heat. But yeah, like, we understand.
So negative.
We understand it wasn't that exciting. I think Soph's little update at the start of the video was something that's really needed, because that's definitely where we're going moving forward, and yeah, I mean, I'm into that stuff. So yeah, lots of cool content coming, but you're just gonna have to hold out a little bit, because the Avion's actually done and it looks fantastic, and you guys are gonna get pumped on that shit.
We can't wait to show you.
Anyway, please like and subscribe, because we really need it. Yeah. We need to get over 1,000 at least, because we need like YouTube to love us. So please help us out with that. Please. And we will see you in the next one.
Bye.